The steady bonus is where the team aspect of the plan becomes much clearer. Our community, customers and distributors, the rank levels shown are based on qualifying points and balanced growth across the sides, the left and the right legs. The work does not sit with one person alone. The community, customer subscriptions, referrals and distributors within it can all contribute towards the qualifying volume subject to the plan rules. That is why this model is so powerful and built around helping people rather than simply just enrolling them. Some will remain customers, some may refer enough people to use Therefore No More. Some may choose the distributor route and some will be more active than others. You cannot decide someone else's level of action, but you can provide them with the right information, support, and duplicatable system like I'm sharing with you for those who want to move forward. The amounts shown on the slide are expected monthly payout levels within the plan, while bonuses are paid weekly. These should be treated as plan examples, not as a guarantee of income. The slide also sets out the qualifying requirements, including live points from active subscriptions on both of the legs. 5 qualified customers to unlock spillover benefits, and the rule that half of the point requirement must come from your own enrollment tree. This does not build itself. Anyone choosing the distributor route still has to do the work, follow the process, support people, and stay consistent. That is the only responsible way to present it.